What's up, guys? I don't know if I'm recording. What's up, guys? Your boy Yazi. I have finally logged onto this stupid game. It has taken me literally. I've been sitting here. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 p.m. I've been sitting here for 3 fucking hours just to play this stupid game. What the hell? There's a battle pass? There's a battle pass? New PvP, play together, win together, new 5v5 gameplay, 35 heroes, new push game mode, upgrade competitive mode, 22 maps and more. What's the the battle pass is free. Earn rewards and battle pass tiers, complete challenges. Cross progressions here. Oh shit, you just saw me. For merge, to prepare for the merge, confirm your console account. I don't know what the frick I just did. What did I just do? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. You're lying, right? You're lying, right? You're literally you're lying, right? You're lying to me right now. Are you telling me that the new operator, you have to pay for her? You're literally kidding me. Wait, requires premium battle pass. What the little... So it's either I get to level 55 and then I get her for free. Are you... This is literally the stupidest thing I've heard in my life. Guys. So what happened to the loot boxes? So they completely removed the... I hate this. Oh shit. What the literal crap? So jump into an unranked competitive arcade. New rules, new maps. Enter the arcade. Players of my skill level. Dude, I don't even remember how to play this game. Anyways, we'll be doing a quick role play. Quick play. Play any role. I want to play a quick play. Practice range? Do I got a practice range, guys? Guys, I have not played... What the hell is about to happen? Okay, so I'm in the game. The graphics are much crazier looking. Excuse me. The graphics look way better. What the hell is that? I could be Bastion. I don't remember anything, bro. I literally don't remember anything. No, wait, what?
Time to save the world? Game on!
I mean, I guess. I'll just play as her. So is this a new map? I'll play Diva, because I don't know anything right now. Okay, so what map is this? Wait, didn't we play this map? Isn't this in the first game? Oh god.
Initiating defense matrix. Nothing gets past me. Forward barrier activated. Time for the reckoning.
I gotta recover. I have no idea what's happening right now, just to be completely honest with you. Whoa. Okay, we killed him, right? I don't even know if I killed that dude.
I thought ninjas had good reaction time. Forward barrier activated.
I don't know if I did it right or not. Where are they spawning? I just used it. I don't know who was there. What's EAD? Eliminations, assists, and deaths? I like the. It's much more cleaner. I like it, but it just doesn't make you feel. It makes it more. It feels more basic. If that makes any sense. I think they just made. Okay, I'm pretty sure this. Oh, what the hell? What the little hell? Guys, I am very intrigued about this game right now because the game, it feels like, I feel like it might be pay to win, but like, you know, since it just started, it doesn't feel like it's pay to win, but it's really freaking odd. What the hell? Oh, yeah, that's Reaper. I forgot about him. Oh, so that's that map. They just made it daytime. What the hell?
Initiating defense matrix.
I don't even know where he is. Okay, my accuracy is horrible. I need to get my shots on him. Okay.
Come here, Toski. 사고칠 준비된 사람.
I just need. Okay, he killed him. I know I'm using Diva. Like, that probably is the most crappiest character. I mean, not crap, but like overused and really easy to use character. But I'm literally trying to understand like what is different in this game. Everything sounds the same. You know what I mean? Damn, these people are really not trying or something. Die! Oh! 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 Oh!
Nothing gets past me.
If Lucio doesn't die. Nice, Lucio. I mean, not.
이거 있네. Time for the reckoning.
shit. Ooh. Oh shoot, am I in? Am I in? Am I in? Yeah, I'm in. That was an okay play, nothing crazy. What the hell is that? The animations look way better in this one. My aim is absolute crap right now. Come on. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead right there. I'm so dead. I'm not doing that much. Knockbill, old, self-destruct kill. It's a weird one, bro. What the? Isn't that the new character? Ah, shit. Yeah, we lost this one for sure. Oh yeah, wait, what? Defeat? That first con of the game doesn't show the main dude or whatever you... Alright, I want to see her game. How about I endorse? I'll just endorse it, why not? Let's see what she did. 1, 2, 3... Guys, that was one game. Oh, wait, hold up. I just want to see real quick. When does this battle... It ends in 61 days. How the literal hell am I supposed... Oh my god. So this game is basically pay to win now. Deathmatch. Free for all. Priority requeue. I forgot these. These are for fun maps. Push the bot farther than the enemy team does. Low gravity, no limits. I want to play that one with the car. What was that one called, guys? Push maps. I guess we'll play this new push mode. It better be good. How do I... How the hell do I do it? F11? Oh wait. Okay, I got a screenshot. I really want to see what the hell this game... You know, cause I'm just super confused. I played Bastion for 4 hours, really? I thought I played. It's so bad. I rarely played with this game. But I haven't. Damn, I really haven't. Guys, I'm sorry. I rarely played Overwatch. It's not that it got boring or anything. It just got less and less hard, I guess, if that makes any sense. Less and less easy. I have Overwatch 1 skins. She just looks... She Indian or something? She looks Indian. Wait, Bastion got a beard? I mean, a Soldier 76 got a beard? The hell? What is this? I'm gonna be Widowmaker, actually. Oh, Widowmaker. Can I pick my character? I want to be my skin. Why can't I pick my skin?
I aim to
Wow. 4. Is this the new map? I think this is the new map. I've never played this map. Okay, so I do fall. I'm sorry. I'm like very lost. Okay. Oh shit, I see people. Oh my oh god, he hurt me. Oh whoa! Why does Soldier 76 look like he James Hetfield, bruh? I'm dead. So we're winning? Oh god, this is just so freaking boring, dude. Come on, come on. Come on. Alright, let's play. Bro, I die so quickly with her. The res? This is actually kind of stupid. Why am I spawning this far? This map it spawns me so freaking far. It's ridiculous. Do I see any? My aim is absolute dog crap. Oh my. Okay, yeah, I need a new hero. I'm sorry. I can't do this. I can't do this. I am so sorry. I'm changing my hero. I'll be Bastion. I'll be the tank. Okay, so this turns into this. Oh, he moves now. What the hell? Oh, he throws a grenade. Oh lord, he's coming here. Wait, he's walking back.
And now we begin.
I'm sorry, it felt like... Who the hell's shooting me from where? Who is that? Actually, what if I go to Pharaoh? Pharaoh's gonna be good on this map, right? Pharaoh. Pharaoh, where's Pharaoh?
Strike from above.
Okay, and then ease that. Okay, yeah, this is better. I'm sorry guys, this gameplay might be really whack, but I'm just trying to understand what the literal crap is happening.
Experience tranquility. Barrier initialized. The barricade proceeds.
Aerial positioning underway.
Okay, my aim is just dog shit. Die. Oh my god, my aim is so bad, guys. I'm so sorry. Damn, that guy's aim is on point. Whoever's playing Soldier 76, your aim is... Damn, look at my thing. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys, for being dog shit right now.
I've got you in my sights.
Okay, I'm fucking done with this shit. Let me try this Soldier 76 guy. He is on a roll.
Soldier needs a cause.
Okay, so you can run. Okay, I forgot about that. What the hell?
Can't let them catch up to us. Fields online. Robots has been acquired.
Disrupting.
Okay, bro, that guy is going nuts.
Aim where they're going. Redeploying.
Come on, I'm gonna keep on using Soldier 76. I feel like he got the hang of this, kind of. Come on. I'm running. I am running. This gun doesn't aim right. Okay, come on, die, bro, die. I fucking died. He was so close to dying. I don't know why I pussied out.
I've got you in my sights.
Oh, he still killed me.
Still got some fight in me.
Still got some fight in me.
The barrier appears. Barrier's near. We're outnumbered.
What the literal hell? It's like 2-3 shots and I'm dead. Oh god.
Still got some fight in me.
What the literal hell? How do I... Okay, let's go through here. Let's go around here.
I've got you in my sights.
Oh, you still got him. Nice, nice, nice. This is a nice little triple whatever thingy.
Biotic healing ready for you. Pushing our barricade up.
This ends now.
Nice. So some of the barricade stuff. Nice. Okay, so we're on to something.
Approaching the final destination. Time for the reckoning.
Okay, I'm putting my thing down. I don't know what the frick is happening from where.
Exerting force on the barricade.
Okay, he just... Oh, shit! That one round... That one... Okay, I'm getting the hang of it now.
Tougher spot.
We won. No freaking way. No freaking way.
Step right up. Biotics deployed. I've got you Pulse munitions delivered to target.
Alright. I went positive just last minute. What the hell? That comeback was crazy. It's a crazy comeback right there. I don't deserve it. Literally, the first like 5 minutes, I was just trying to find the right play on that map. Yeah, he got. I would give it to him. Killed everyone. Why she look like Junkrat? That one got way more. What the hell? Okay. First damage win. First win of the day. Count merges in queue. Migration queue. So odd. Okay. Challenges. Complete 3 games queue up for all roles. Complete 3 games queue to all roles. Email hello to a teammate. Bruh. Could have done that. Alright, so they basically made this interesting. I mean, it's what the hell, my mic. It's still doable, but I don't know. I'll give it to this guy. I don't even know what he did. Yeah, this is still doable, guys. It's just really odd how I just hate the part that they made this like in a way pay to win, cuz right? I can just go here and buy tiers, right? Like I can buy it, right? Store? Is there a store? No, there's not a store. Anyways, challenge social. What if I want to buy this? Requires premium battle pass. Frick. I don't think it'll let me because I believe because my accounts are merging. Something, I don't know. Menu. Anyways, guys, how am I liking it? It still feels like Overwatch. It's just that they made it pay to win in a way, if I'm right or not. Anyways, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.